Welcome to Layn University. My name's Conrad Layn. Layn Tik Tok University. My name's Conrad Layn. Welcome to my lot. I own 21 cars on a Turo platform. I'm a Turo power host. I'm going to teach you how to earn six figures, stay out of trouble, and build more compounding wealth. But enough of that. I'm meeting a Turo guest in the next 20 minutes. Already did my check-in. And I'm going to show you how to do a proper check-in and check-out if they bring the car back to you. If you're delivering the car, it doesn't matter if it's check-in or drop-off or check-out. Same rule applies. Always do your best to protect your wealth, and you want to make sure you document everything. Because if you mess up one time, you won't get covered if your car is in an auto accident, unfortunately, or if it's compromised or goes through a claim. So let me flip this around, and if you want more details on how to actually properly document a car, go to my YouTube channel, Conrad, Conrad, Layn, Conrad Layn, and look for the video that says how to document check-in and check-out. Follow the video right here. I put the thumbnail right here. And go to my YouTube channel if you want full elaboration. This is just a quick run through. Don't want to take too much time. Let me flip this around. Welcome to my lot. I own 21 cars. You can do the same. So first and foremost, this car is going out today. So first and foremost, you take a picture like this. Front, one, down, again. Go to the front of the car. Take a picture right there. Right there. Up. Go to the side. Right there, one on the bottom. You want to make sure you get as many pictures as possible. I take no less than 100 pictures, usually about 120, 125 different pictures at minimum. Here, this is a quick run through as I mentioned. Right there. Take a picture close to the glass, make sure there's no scrapes, scratches, any type of rock debris, cracks or anything, because if your car comes back and you can't prove that, you might not be covered. Take a picture there. Take a picture of all the mirrors, take a picture of the handles, take a picture of the handles, take a picture of even this lid for the gas cap, take a picture of that, so there's a gas cap there, take a picture of what type of gas is sufficient for this type of car, close it, take a picture of that mirror, take a picture of this mirror, this one's gonna blow your socks off, do this as well, take a picture of this, of your engine compartment, your battery. Make sure your license plate's there in the picture so that it verifies it. Take a picture with the VIN number in there as well. Take a picture of the battery, show the date. You want to show that you have a fresh battery, because if it comes back that your car died and you have a new battery in there and they say no, you have a bad battery, it's hard to prove. As he said, she said. But you show that, hey, this is a new battery, it's not expired, and there is an expiration date that's adjacent to the battery. And if that expiration date has reached and they see that in the picture, then you're liable. Take a picture of that, take a picture of the front, take a picture of this. I also recommend doing a quick video and documenting the date. Take a picture of the trunk, show everything works. Take a picture of the spare tire in there. Take a picture of all this is still looking good. Then you take a picture of the back, like that. Take a picture of the side, like that. Side of the door, take a picture of that. Take a picture of even this, take a picture of that, go to the other side, rinse and repeat, take a picture of this, take a picture of this, right here. And this car is a 2020 Volkswagen Jetta, and it's currently 2022. I've ridden this car for over 2 years now, and it's earned me over 400% profit on top of the car is completely paid off. And I've earned 400%. That's 4 times the amount. So if a car was, for example, $20,000, earned 80,000 on top of it, which is a total of 100,000 I've earned on this car alone. But that's rough estimates. Take a picture of that. Take a picture that there's no smoking allowed. Take a picture of this. This is one most people forget as well, or don't consider. Take a picture of your key. Flip it over. Take a picture of the other side of the key. Show that the key's looking good. If it comes out busted, then they owe you for a key. It's hard to prove that if you don't have no pictures. Take a picture of that. Everything you gave for the car. Take a picture of all the mirrors. There you go. That's me, Conrad Layn. Take a picture of this one. Take a picture that that works. Take a picture of this. I highly recommend anything that's electronic, mechanical claims are really hard to prove. Record a quick video and keep that and document it. It has metadata, so Turo will be able to see, but you can even email it to them if you like. Show it and take a video of this working back and forth. And with your pictures, just take a picture of it open, take a picture of it closed to show it works. So if it comes back not working, you can say it was working at the time you gave it to them, so you can file a claim. Again, take a picture of this door like that. Inside the door, you want to show everything's intact. Move my bags, boom. Take a picture of that, take a picture of that, show everything's clean and ready to go. It gets gonna be here in the next 5 to 10 minutes. That's how you do a proper checkout, y'all. And that's how you do it. Welcome to Layn Tik University. Welcome to my TikTok. Follow my website on my TikTok page. And you can actually go directly to my YouTube channel. I've released thousands of videos that have thousands more that I've already have ready that are going to be launched constantly, and teach you everything about what to do and how to actually go about being successful on a Turo platform. I own 21 cars. I'm acquiring 10 more cars. I'm vetting them, making sure they're appropriate for the Turo platform. And I look forward to making a lot of money. I want you guys to make a lot of money. I am the real deal. And I'm a Turo Par host. My name's Conrad Layn. Follow me on YouTube. Follow me on subscribe to Instagram, subscribe to YouTube. And yeah, if you want to learn about Turo and how to create a business in general, even if it's not Turo, I do have a background in finance. I'm happy to help, absolutely free. And that's it. CONRADLAYN. Conrad Layn's my name. And I'm about to wait for the guests.